I am like a caged bird who is longing to go free. Let me go beyond these bars, provide me with the key. We're gonna break out, we're gonna break free, fly away from here, the caged bird and me. Sentenced here to serve my time, with your image chained to my mind. I thought I did the perfect crime, but someone went and dropped the dime. Now we're gonna break out, we're gonna break free, and fly away from here, the caged bird and me. You captured me with your charms, now I can't hold you with my arms. I can't escape these walls that hold me in, and I can't slip through these bars, I'm not that thin. Slam the door behind me, warden, throw away the key. Lock me up forever, I can't stand her memory. We're gonna break out, we're gonna break free, and fly away from here, the caged bird and me. We're gonna break out, we're gonna break free, fly away forever, the caged bird.